Yeah, hi, it's John, and I'm here with a new deck we're building in Annapolis. It's an all-wood deck, so we're using pressure-treated lumber. We use treated lumber so that it doesn't rot over a period of time. So take a good look at the deck. Wooden pickets, all wooden posts. Within a few months, 2 to 3 months, we'll come back and we'll stain the deck. It's not good to stain a wood deck until it sits and seasons for a little while. But take a look over here. I'll show you a couple things. 6x6 post sitting down in the concrete. Concrete's down under the ground. The beams here, this is two 2x10s, so we got two of them together. Some nice heavy 1/2-inch bolts holding them in place. These bolts are galvanized bolts. The deck itself, all the floor joists, these are 2x10s. A lot of companies build a deck like this with 2x8s. We decided to go with the 2x10. It's a much heavier, stronger deck. It's going to make it a little sturdier. A couple of the other neat little things here. Notice this. This is the joist hanger. The joist hanger attaches the deck to the ledger board. And over here we have tension ties. We use these tension ties on this joist here, and then one on the far end. It keeps the deck from wanting to rack. So by later on this afternoon, we should have this total deck done. And when we do, we're going to post that on the next video. Thanks.